Okay guys, alright, so a little update on progress. Oh lordy, I've done a little bit of cleanup. Look at that, I actually have some clear space. This is what on a boat. Yeah, this is what it looks like to have a project going on. So anyway, this is my project. We are still working on this mass compression post that goes against this wall. This is all new. The post is outside drying. This is a piece of, there's a piece up there too. There were two pieces that made a little pedestal for the old compression post to sit on because the bottom had rotted, so I cut it off. Anyway, this is the new piece, and you cannot glue this stuff. Glue does not stick to it. So it kind of fits like a glove right here, but then the rest of it, there's some space. I think I'm going to epoxy that. And then we're ready to put it all back together. Stay tuned.